In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Visa gift card on Dhgate 2025 step by step. If you've tried paying on Dhgate with a standard Visa gift card, you've probably noticed it doesn't always go through. The simplest solution is to convert that gift card balance into a payment card Dhgate accepts reliably. Here's how to do it smoothly with zero guesswork. First, use your Visa gift card to buy a prepaid debit card or virtual card that functions like a fully verified Visa or MasterCard with international support. Look for reputable digital gift card or prepaid marketplaces and check reviews before you buy. Pay attention to fees, available denominations, and whether the card is issued for your region. Make sure your gift card has enough balance to cover both the cost of the new card and any service fees. After purchase, you'll receive the new card's number, expiration date, and security code. Some providers require quick verification or activation. Complete that right away so the card is ready for online use. Next, confirm the new card supports international online purchases and 3D Secure, also known as OTP or one-time passcode verification. This is crucial because DHgate often triggers a security challenge during checkout. Ensure you can receive the OTP via text, email, or the issuer's app, and keep that device handy. Set or confirm the billing address with the card issuer because DHgate uses address checks to reduce fraud. If the issuer lets you define an address, choose one you can accurately reproduce at checkout. Double-check your card's available balance. Include a cushion for shipping, taxes, and possible currency conversion fees. Now you're ready to pay on DHgate. At checkout, select card payment and enter the new card's details as you would for any Visa or MasterCard. Enter the cardholder name and billing address exactly as they appear with the issuer. If you see a 3D Secure window, complete the OTP promptly. Avoid VPNs or mismatched locations during payment, as they can trigger declines. If a transaction fails, confirm the balance covers the full order amount. DHgate typically doesn't support split payments, and try again after verifying the information or lowering the order total slightly. You can also contact the card issuer to confirm international or 3D Secure is enabled. That's it. Convert your Visa gift card into a compatible prepaid or virtual card. Ensure it supports international 3D Secure, and use it on DHgate like a regular Visa or MasterCard. Keep your billing details consistent, watch for fees, and you'll check out without a hitch.